Good morning, everybody. It's a little after 6 o'clock in the morning on Tuesday, August 11th, and I am at the Abyss Trail, which is in Pike National Forest, Mount Overton's Wilderness. Just filled up my permit for the day. Not going too far. I'm going up to Helms Lake, which is right around 12 miles round trip from what I understand. First 6 miles obviously are going to be all straight uphill. So I've actually hiked above this lake several times. Last year when I did Berstadt, 2008 when I was on top of Mount Evans, and then 2017 when I did the 13ers, Paulette, and Rosalie. So before I run out of air heading uphill, I'll be going to about 11.9 today. So I'm sure I'll have plenty of great views to show you guys today. guys, it is now about 9:45, and right behind me is two things: is Helms Lake and Mount Berstadt. Tucked behind the mountain over here on my left-hand side is Mount Evans, and off to my left is Mount Paulette, and Rosalie peaks. As I said before earlier, I've been up to the top of that one, Evans, and the ones that skirt around here. Helms Lake's pretty cool. This is the upper portion of the lake, or actually the bigger of the two lakes. The lower portion, which was a smaller lake, had a beaver lodge and a beaver dam, which was kind of cool. I haven't seen any signs of wildlife other than some squirrels, a lot of birds. But with that being said, it was kind of cool to see some of the sign. I did see some moose sign, some scat in several areas, some places where I saw some beaver sign where they were actually chewing. So it's been an interesting trip. The first 3 miles of the trip were on what I would probably presume to be either old 4-wheel or ATV roads that they don't use for that anymore, based on what it looked like. There were so many cool campsites, some that looked like they were once used by that ATV type of pull-off, and others that were pretty established campsites. So plenty to go for the first 3 miles. It turns into single track after that, which becomes more of a an actual hike to come up to this level. And I think I'm at about 11.8, 11.9, somewhere in that area. So once you get to the single track, it's a little bit more challenging, I guess, at least from an endurance standpoint. Another thing I wanted to remember, there was a lot of cool little small aspen groves that I went through. Really neat, and I really enjoyed seeing those. Those are really cool. When you come into the pine forest, or even exposed areas, and there's all that greenery and those white trunks of the tree. It's pretty cool. So without anything else, I'm going to hang out here for a while, check a few things out, do a little exploring, and then I'm going to head back. Unless I see something, I will say adieu for today, since I'm going to be heading back exactly the same way I came. So if I can say nothing else, get out and enjoy some nature. Get out and hike, guys. Until next time, thanks for watching.